Wow, those are a lot of eggs.
Oh. Whoop! Right here. Bailey, wait till you open all your eggs. You're going to be going in there 50 times.
Well, go hang out there while they're doing now. Don't finish this roll. Then I'll grab the kitchen.
I keep getting treats.
Wow. Caitlin. Very cool. Bailey, don't run in there every time because you got lots of eggs.
Whoa! Mom, bunny. Whoa!
No. Okay. Just put it right here then.
Look at mommy. Show me an egg. Look at mommy.
Okay, only 8 more pictures, girls.
58. That takes plenty for Papa. Caitlin.
Put all the eggs in your basket.
Caitlin. Woo.
I think you guys made out on money. What do you think?
Yeah. Hey, can I have some? No.
Oh, that's very nice.
Thank you, sugar. That's nice. Thank
Now
you.
put your eggs in the basket, honey. All your empty eggs should go back in your basket.
One of her things went over to Caitlin, her candy there. Oh no. Bud. Look, turn around. Smile. Smile.
Here, put your sheets over on this side. Treats go
Okay,
there.
I'll hold them and put them over here for you, okay?
It's yours now.
They're yours now. Papa's not home, Carl left and I went and bought me ice cream and stuff.
Oh, did he?
When he left. Because I don't buy it when he's there, you know, because of his diabetes and stuff. Oh, wow, look at the money girl.
You guys get a lot of money because I didn't eat some lunch money for next week.
Oh!
You didn't get any allowance?
I'm a candy girl. Oh, another candy.
Another candy.
I got a lot of candy. I got a lot of this too. What's another one? Look at how much candy I got.
Wow.
Nana.
That's nice of you. Okay, let me see. Wow, look at that.
I wonder why they're so skinny.
I know, huh?
Would we do that many times?
No.
We'd be huffing and puffing already.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh!
I'm going to have her sit behind us and open her legs and go upstairs and take this one out.
Cute. That's cute. It was funny because she was going to run in there each time she got money from the bank. Wow. You guys made out like bandits with money and candy today. Wow. I want some of them big eggs that got the dollars in them.
Yeah, I see that.
Woohoo.
I want to keep the eggs. Keep the eggs. Keep the eggs. Keep the eggs. Mine. Put your eggs in the basket.
Frankie said very nice to us.
Oh, really? What's the matter, Caitlin? Oh, I was going to say, you can't get it together or apart?
Here, Bandy, come here. I
Come
want
here,
to get a picture. Come here. I want to show you. Come here. Sit down. Sit down. I should do this. Pull your dress down so that you can't see. I want you to go like this, like all my stuff. Look at all my stuff. So show me your stuff. Show me your stuff. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
I'm not in the picture, am I, girls?
Nope. Sorry.
Sure you are. Look at my Nana. Boo. Cool.
Okay, Caitlin, show me your loot. You know
Yeah.
what your loot means?
Damn.
Nana, you can have this one.
Okay, just leave it right there, sugar.
Good job.
Let me see one more time.
Get one,
You
Nana.
video?
No, you go ahead.
Oops. Okay, you're gonna turn this way. That's good. Wow. Look at that smile. Huh? Well, I only can get one.
Okay. Here. We're gonna put all the treats in the treat bowl, okay? So that way if anybody wants any, then they can have them drop it in, okay?
Break time. Break it down.
Could you give me back it?
You want me to give this back to you? All right.
You want you to give that to you for a little treat?
Yeah.
Yeah, anything to give her?
You ready to go put this in your bag?